Welcome to Module 12, Adolescence. We continue our journey in the area of developmental science. Module 12.1. 12-1. How is adolescence defined and how do physical changes affect developing teens? Adolescence is the transition from childhood to adulthood. It extends from puberty to independence. The tension between biological maturity and social independence creates a period of storm and stress. We talk about physical development, and we mostly know that puberty is the period of sexual maturity during which a person becomes capable of reproducing. Early maturing boys are more popular, self-assured, and independent. They're more at risk for alcohol use, delinquency, and premature sexual activity. Early maturing girls, it's a mismatch between their physical and emotional maturity, may encourage the search for older teens. Teasing or sexual harassment may often occur. The teenage brain is under rapid development. The frontal lobe development and synaptic pruning occur. Maturation of the frontal lobes lags behind that of the emotional limbic system. This and the puberty's hormonal surge may produce irrational and risky behaviors, and it should be noted that our brains don't actually physically mature cognitively until around the ages of 24 or 25.